Every day, the world sells comfort but delivers cages, soft walls made of rules, norms, and empty promises, locking in those who crave more. Founders, listen close. The crushing frustration isn't just about money or markets. It's the suffocating feeling that the system is designed to trap your potential, your wild ideas, your fire. The world pretends it's built for you to win, but really, it's built to make you conform, to shrink your vision into something safe, predictable, approved. You've faced that wall, and you know exactly how brutal it is when your breakthroughs are met with doubt or indifference, when the powerful keep pushing the tired scripts, and your energy gets eaten up by endless noise and false narratives. But here's the raw truth you need to grab and never let go. The only way out isn't harder grinding or endless tweaking of the same failing playbook. It's ripping that whole illusion down. Radical creators, those who don't just want to build businesses but want to rebuild the very rules of the game, are causing a global earthquake. They aren't waiting for permission. They reject the old systems that tell them who they can be and how to succeed. These trailblazers stand alone because what they do is dangerous. It threatens the comfortable, the complacent, the "this is just how it is" crowd. So it's not just isolation, it's a war on your spirit, on your conviction. Here's what must happen next. Stop begging for inclusion in a broken system. That's poison. Stop wasting time on networking. That's just status plays. Instead, hunt down ruthless, complementary allies. Not many, just a few who catch your vision and will fight alongside you. This is the secret weapon, the fierce few who challenge you, who add missing pieces to your puzzle, who ignite synergy that stretches you beyond limits you thought were fixed. You're not missing ability, you're missing connection. And that breaks open every damn barrier you thought was immovable. Now get brutal with your own process. Throw out everything that doesn't fuel your becoming. That means biting the bullet on uncomfortable truths, your ego, your past wins, the comfort of known routines. Build yourself like a machine designed for one purpose: to grow, break boundaries, transcend what's humanly possible today. Make relentless individualism your tool, but not just for self-indulgence. Your freedom must produce results, ideas that cut through the noise, ventures that shake old power, breakthroughs that rewrite the map entirely. Forget the old game of power by legacy or identity. Earn everything, every moment. Demand meritocracy in all your circles, ruthlessly and unapologetically. Surround yourself with diversity that pushes your thinking to places no safe space ever could. Embrace the tension. Rebel against comfort zones that tell you to fit in. Your mission is bigger than borders, bigger than nations, bigger than politics. Think globally, but act with laser focus in the network of the few who are rewriting the future. Capital is a weapon, not a trophy. Use it to demolish obstacles, not to prop up the status quo. Chase impossible ideas that make people scoff, because that's exactly where transformation lives. This isn't a path for the compliant or the quiet. This is a call for those who can't bear the silence inside, the ones burning with a fire to transcend everything they know, to break limits that feel permanent and rewrite what's possible. In this moment, the choice is raw and simple. Stay trapped in illusions and slowly die inside, or embrace the wild, painful, liberating fight to build the world you were made to lead. The radical creators aren't waiting. They're not just in startups or capitals, they're in the tearing down and building up, the constant becoming, the rejection of the safe comfort that kills true freedom. So ignite that fire, hunt down your few, strip away the noise, build yourself sharper, harder, freer, because the future is waiting for no one. And only those who refuse to settle will shake the foundations of this broken world and create something real, something unstoppable. This is your battlefield. Fight like the founder of everything to come.